Hello, Sophie. You keep talking? Cool cat? We built this city. You're all shy, you're not going to talk. Can you talk to us? Why don't you tell me about your day today, Sophie? What did you do today? Did you what? What did you do? You going to chat a little bit more? You're very chatty before. What if I whistle to you? What are you doing? Where's all the smiley faces gone? Look who ain't going.